beautiful, thriving farm, the turnpike is literally 20 feet from here, and 429. Who would have thought you could grow all of these beautiful fruits and vegetables right off the Florida Turnpike? Welcome to today's episode. I am in Winter Garden, Florida at Do Good Farms. We're going to take a tour of this sustainable farm and learn a little bit about how not to kill your tomato plants like I have. Thank you for joining me today. We're going on a farming journey. In my quest, searching for fun activities to do, I found Do Good Farm. It is centrally located in Winter Garden. Perfect opportunity if you're visiting Florida, have relatives visiting Florida, or live in Florida to sign up for a class or book a tour of the farm. Learn about hydroponic farming. Josh will teach you all about how not to kill your plants. And they have some really cute goats and chickens on the farm. Today, this class featured 35 guests who all received lunch and had lots of questions that Josh was able to answer so they could take home their knowledge. I also think Do Good Farm would be a great opportunity to take your children or maybe even do a virtual class learning about farming for your children. In addition to tours and classes, you can purchase plants at Do Good Farm. Some of them you see here in the background. And also they have opportunities for you to take home a box of fresh grown produce with a donation. I'm going to put a link below for Do Good Farm, and you can see how you may want to participate by volunteering, visiting, or donating and helping stop world hunger. I learned a lot in this class because I am the opposite of green thumb. This is our zone, and this little handy dandy guide they give out telling you when you can grow your fruits and vegetables. I wish I would have had that before I destroyed all of my tomatoes.
So it's kind of pointless to spray neem oil right before a rain is about to happen, and then as soon as you spray it, as soon as it rains, when it stops raining, you need to reapply. Insecticidal soaps is important, so if you...
Stop throwing out your old wine bottles. There's a built-in irrigation system. I was able to take a stroll through the food forest to see different types of vegetation. I came upon some butterflies. I actually tried to get them. It was a little difficult because they're kind of quick.
Oh, did you catch those?
Do you think the margarita bush is around the corner? I don't know, let's go check. This journey was a fun day. I enjoyed learning a lot about landscaping, having a nice lunch, spending a day with some good people, and helping them do good. I'm going to put link below to Do Good Farm and their sister company, House Blend Cafe. They offer lunch, coffee, and catering services.